Привіт-привіт, my dear friends. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson we're going to learn 20 common Ukrainian adjectives part 2. Part number 1 you can check out here. Before we start, you need to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. It is very important for me. So let's get started. Поїхали! So the first adjective that we are going to learn is чистий. Чистий means clean. Чистий. For example, чиста кімната. Чиста кімната. Clean room. You can tell me, Ina, whoa, stop. Why did you say чистий and now it becomes чиста? What is that? Guys, this is an agreement of the gender. When we learn the basic form of the adjectives, it will be in the masculine gender. If you just want to Google the translation of the adjective from English into Ukrainian, you will always see it in the masculine form. But when you use with other nouns, you have to see the gender of the noun and then to make an agreement. I have already recorded a video about it, so you need to check it out. So in this video, we're also practicing agreement. Okay, another one. Темний. Темний means dark. Темний. For example, темний провулок. Dark alley. Темний провулок. Важкий means difficult. Важкий. For example, важка робота. Difficult job. Важка робота. Okay, another one is брудний. Dirty. Брудний. For example, брудна підлога. Dirty floor. Брудна підлога. Сухий means dry in Ukrainian language. For example, сухе повітря. Сухе повітря means dry air. Do you say that in English? So for example, when it's summer, it is so hot, you can't breathe and we say, oh Боже, сухе повітря. Oh my God, dry air. Так, okay, good. Another one is дорогий, expensive. Дорогий. For example, дорогий костюм, expensive suit. Дорогий костюм. Швидкий means fast. Швидкий. For example, швидка машина. Fast car. Швидка машина. The word іноземний means foreign. Іноземний. For example, іноземна мова. Foreign language. Іноземна мова. The word повний means full. Повний. For example, we can say повний зал, like full hall. For example, there is a concert and there are a lot of people and we say, oh, the hall is full or full hall. Повний зал. Повний зал людей. Full hall of people. Adjective number 10 is хороший, good. For example, хороший напій. Good drink. Хороший напій. Good drink. Good can be translated also as гарний in Ukrainian language. Гарний, but the synonym is хороший. Okay, let's continue. Жорсткий in Ukrainian language means hard. Жорсткий. For example, жорсткий диск. Hard drive. Жорсткий диск. Another verb is важкий, heavy, важкий. For example, важкі гантелі means heavy. Okay, how to say гантелі? Just give me a moment, I forgot this word. Гантелі. Dumbbells. When you go to gym and you just lift this things. Is it correct to say dumbbells? Because I just googled this word and say dumbbells. Just please let me know in the comments below if this word is correct. Важкі гантелі. Okay, потужний, powerful, потужний. For example, потужний снаряд, powerful shell, потужний снаряд. That's a very popular expression that I hear all the time or read on news. So that's the example from the real life of Ukrainians. Потужний снаряд. Тихий, quiet. Тихий, тиха ніч, quiet night. Тиха ніч. Another one is правильний, correct. Правильний. For example, правильна відповідь, correct answer. Правильна відповідь. Повільний, slow, повільний. For example, повільний рух, slow movement, повільний рух. М'який means soft, м'який. For example, м'який диван, soft couch, м'який диван. Another one is слабкий, weak, слабкий. Слабкий чоловік, weak man, a weak person. Слабкий. We can say слабкий дух, weak spirit. Can we say like this in English? Weak spirit. I think yes, yeah? Слабкий дух. Глибокий, deep, глибокий. For example, глибоке озеро, deep lake, глибоке озеро. And the last one is довгий, long, довгий. For example, довгий шлях, long way, довгий шлях. So let's repeat all 20 adjectives that we learned with you today. Let me read one more time for you. Чистий, темний, важкий, брудний, сухий, дорогий, швидкий, іноземний, повний, хороший, жорсткий, важкий, потужний, тихий, правильний, повільний, м'який, слабкий, глибокий and довгий. Okay guys, if you want to learn more Ukrainian adjectives, if you want to know what are their other gender forms and how to put adjectives in all cases, because we also put them in cases, then you can get my set of the flashcards 200 common Ukrainian adjectives, which is very useful. Also, I have a set 100 common Ukrainian verbs. You can buy these two sets of the flashcards together, and then you will be able to learn 400 common Ukrainian words. I have their examples, conjugation, words in cases, everything is explained, and also I developed a website where you can hear the voiceover. So guys, I also want to invite you to check out my school Speak Ukrainian at the website speaky.com. There you will find all useful learning materials for you, and you can book a trial lesson just for $1. Please check out my charity store, buy t-shirts, Save Ukrainian Life. Please keep supporting Ukraine. Support me on Patreon, PayPal. Дуже дякую. Thank you so much. Побачимось скоро. See you soon. Your teacher Ina, and bye-bye. Bye-bye.